some vanilla, and it was just time for it to just bubble. She stirred some more. Honestly, I couldn't wait no longer. I was ready to taste the porridge. Aroma in my nose and I was starting to get hungry. A tubs of sugar was added, come I never want too much. Up more stairs and it was time to taste it. But this time I asked my mother for video me a taste the porridge. For some strange reason, my mother missed my mouth when she had video it. Eventually, when she catch my mouth, half of my face cut off. Anyway, I tell her said it tastes good, but it did need a little more sugar. And she agreed. So a little more sugar was added and it was good to go. I quickly share up my peanut porridge. Head to the table for a piece of bread. Only to see a devastating sight. Only to find out that somebody whose name is Narcal eat last of the bread. Left with a serious decision to make. Have me delicious peanut porridge without bread, or eat the forbidden back part of the bread. Don't know who would eat the back of the bread. Except me, I tear up that bread like my life depends on it and sit down comfortable and enjoy my peanut porridge and bread. Yes, Miss B, the porridge is delicious.